Today we're going to do hand painting on fabric. So what you need is a piece of natural fabric. It can be satin, cotton, silk, whatever. A piece of absorbent paper or maybe Scottex like this to put underneath. Maybe a rigid paper is better. Tape the fabric to the paper. Then you need some fabric paints, pencil, brushes, water. You might need sponges. I also suggest if you have some permanent markers or even biros, can also work on fabric. So I've taped down my fabric. I'm going to use satin. I decided I had these lovely fading flowers and just thought that they would make a nice composition. So I'm going to draw these on the fabric with a pencil, very kind of lightly, and then I'm going to paint it. Obviously fabric painting, you can paint in different ways, but I tend to, I've done quite a bit of fabric painting over the years, and I tend to use it almost like watercolour. So going with a very light touch. It's a little bit like using a sewing machine or driving a car. If you know how to use a light touch with your pencil or with your paintbrush, then you can always add. But if you've got the light touch, it means you're kind of in control of your medium, which is the way you want it to be. So just put on some nice music and something nice and relaxing maybe, and just get painting. I find that the music really influences. Can you turn down the music a little bit? That's my assistant. I find that whatever kind of music you listen to tends to affect the way you work. So if you want something delicate, it's good to have something kind of relaxing on. So this is me drawing, and once I've done this, we'll get on to the next part, the painting part. Okay? That's enough for now.